Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk guys how can we check Bluetooth device name in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to check your Bluetooth device name in your Oppo phone, so friends you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check Bluetooth device name in our Oppo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So friends, now let's see how to check Bluetooth device name. So I first of all open your phone setting to check your phone Bluetooth device name. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of setting guys. So just click on guys your Bluetooth setting friends, and guys first of all guys you will have to on guys your Bluetooth. Then guys you can see your device name. Guys you want to rename, so you can rename also friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to check Bluetooth device name in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.